This quick tutorial will show you how to use the motion tracking features in Wondershare Filmora. This built-in facility, which is so difficult to achieve manually, is so convenient and simple to do when you know how. Once your clip's in the timeline, double-click it. It opens up in the browser's position on the screen, that's in the left-hand top corner. Motion tracking is there for you to tick the checkbox, and an outline appears in the viewer. Resize this, as the smaller it is, the easier it'll be for it to track the key parts of the object. Drag the outline onto the item you want tracked. Make sure it's a clear contrast and stays on screen for the whole length. If the tracker loses track of the object, it doesn't usually find it again. Press the Start Tracking again in the inspector window to check it keeps tracking for all of the clip. If it doesn't, then try to attach it to something that's more contrasting on the object. Press OK and then drag a title above the clip in the timeline. Extend that title for the length of the main clip. Replace the text, make changes like color and font. Then select the title to combine it with the video clip, and then position in a suitable spot on the screen. Don't worry too much where you put it, because it can be altered later. Press the play button, and this is just one of the outstanding features of this editing software. I'll show you an equally easy to use split screen feature in the next tutorial. And if you need help with video editing software, contact me on videoeditoz.com.au. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell.